Delhi International Airport, and as you know, all the arriving passengers from the UK are subjected to mandatory RT-PCR test to check, and then after that, after those tests, they are subjected to test for genome sequencing, where it is assessed whether it is the new strain of virus or not. And for that very purpose, we are here at this mobile lab, collaboration of SpiceJet and CSIR, whereby they are checking for the new strain of virus. They are doing genome sequencing. So let's start with step 1 and give you a short glimpse. Here is the first step, whereby the sample is fragmented into different fragments to assess whether those fragments have enough virus amount or not. So this step is called making a library of the sample. The second step is amplification of the sample. So in that step, the sample is put here, and then they try to amplify the sample in order to have enough amount of the virus in the sample to check for genome sequencing. This is one of the very important processes that takes place in this entire library, and we do know that as new types of strains have started emerging in different countries, this particular step has become extremely significant to check new strains of virus in different areas. We then come to the third step. First step was to have a library. Second step was to amplify the virus. The third step is to quantify the sample in order to have enough quantity of the virus in the sample so that genome sequencing can successfully take place. So this is the step where they check for enough quantity of virus in that sample. The fourth step is this flow cell, whereby the sample is put on this flow cell to do genome sequencing. This is then connected to different computer devices, whereby you can keep a watch on the kind of genome sequencing that is taking place of that sample. This can be assessed on a mobile phone, on a laptop. So this was something that was extremely important and necessary in these times of COVID-19. We do know that this is the first lab. This is a lab on a pilot basis for 1 month, and it remains to be seen whether this becomes permanent here or whether we will be able to see more such labs in other airports.